checking in from my office, and I see that YouTube just announced that they're raising the monetization requirements to, they're keeping it at 1,000 subscribers, but instead of 4,000 watch hours, now we need 8,000. And your initial reaction is going to be a lot like mine, of like, oh my gosh, that's twice the work. But yeah, if you're a new creator like me, don't panic. I think we've just got a little further to go. I have an idea. Drop your channel in the comments and let me, this is kind of specific to small creators. Let me start discovering your channels. In fact, I'll start discovering these all smaller creators. We're all headed towards the same same goal. Check out some of these channels people post below too. And if you like what they're making, watch some of the videos, leave some comments, subscribe. I still have to shut off commenting on the rest of my videos for safety. I have my kids in there, but I'm going to do the same. I don't want to do a sub for sub or watch for watch thing. That's just kind of cheesy. But we can do, something of, hey, let's go check out creators we like. And I found a guy today who did starting off a weather channel, and I like that. That's content that I'm interested in. So let's help the small guys get discovered. So thank you.